you guys, I am making something quick, delicious, easy masala Maggi or masala super noodles. And we all love noodles, and you know, they are the quick way to have dinner ready in 5 minutes. But I'm going to spice it up and make it delicious. To start, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil to a hot pan, and I'm going to add some curry leaves. Now, if you don't or can't find fresh curry leaves, just skip them because the dried ones are useless. 7 to 8 fresh curry leaves and a green chili chopped in half, or if you want, finely chopped. Next goes in onion. You can use a white onion. Today for this I'm using a red onion, and I'm going to finely chop this too. Just 2-3 minutes. We don't want color or anything, we just want them to soften up nicely. Now while the onions are softening for 5 minutes, I'm just going to put some water to bring it to a boil because I'm going to quickly cook the noodles in the water. So I'm going to use 2 packs of noodles, and I'm going to cook it as per instructions, but I'm not going to add the sachet of spices, which I'll save for this. Right now I'm just going to cook this in plain water. These will be ready in 4 to 5 minutes, and once they are ready, they will be added to the masala. Next goes in 1 tomato, medium size, finely chopped. And with that goes in 100 grams of frozen peas. You can use fresh peas, but I'm using frozen today. Next, I'm going to add in all the spices. That's 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon chili powder, and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. And all of this will go in a mixture. And with that, I'm also going to add the sachet of spices that comes with the super noodles or Maggi. This is looking and smelling amazing, absolutely amazing. And just the curry leaf adds a bit of freshness, and the green chili, I can smell it from here. It's going to be a hot one. Now we're going to add the cooked noodles to this mix. And then on a high heat, I'm going to mix it up. Look at that. That looks so inviting. It smells incredible, and it's so much better than the boring plain noodles. It is ready in minutes, and trust me, they are so much better than the plain boring noodles because we have spiced them up and added lots of masala. And I'm going straight in. Oh, so good. My kids absolutely love it, love it. And this is something even my husband can make. Oh, I hope he's not watching this. Well, and he's saying it's my recipe. Well, he has no proof, does he? Oh my God, that's hilarious. That is, wow. That is so good. I love the heat coming through. That chili was really good addition. And the spices are so balanced. It's not overpowering, but at the same time, it is full on. Please do give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please share it with your friends and family, and please leave me a comment. Bye for now. Oh my God, this is so good.